Manipur State Archive starts 5-day preventive workshop on handmade paper manuscripts Puyas with an aim to safeguard ancient manuscripts. Living Without Medicine, a program organized by Bhumijas and sponsored by MoMA, aims to promote organic products and naturopathy treatment. And like-minded association joined in holding first Manipur Kunai Mifam on April 2nd to realize visions of Lamyanba Hijom Irawat for an equal society. Kurumjari, good evening. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari, bringing you the top stories. First up, Manipur State Archives Directorate of Art and Culture Manipur kicked off a 5-day preventive workshop on handmade paper manuscripts, that is Puyas, at Liberal College in Luang Sangbam today. The workshop, launched with an aim to safeguard ancient manuscripts of the state, is sponsored by National Mission for Manuscripts, Government of India, New Delhi. Experts from National Mission for Manuscripts will enlighten on how to safeguard the Puyas during the workshop. Tutor King Leisemba Sana Jauba, Commissioner of Art and Culture M. Lakshmi Kumar, Director Art Aribam Sivadas and Liberal College Principal W. Bechaubi graced the launching event. Speaking to media, Deputy Director of Manipur State Archives Mohammad Abdul Kalam asserted that the workshop will enlighten the younger generation on the worth of ancient Puyas and also contribute in safeguarding the Puyas.
Ipa ipuna chahi ningsing bada waraba chahi cha kayagi mamangdagi manuscript mayam koi lon da hargana puya haibatare masi nong magi sum custodian sing sigi custody da lai matamda sum shokchin ba henjilak pa haibatare machine made paper si phok tringagi mamangda handmade paper akoi ipa ipu singdana makutna sajaba che da kalam na iba nataba China Saba, Korirona, Mukta Lupaga, Muktu Aikoki, Ipai pushing a Masana, same job of Muk, Hibutare, Machine Irambasi, manuscript and Tambirame. Manuscript sing as the no some social lapa conditions the Lakwasida, Ayakna, National Mission for Manuscripts Tagi, assume the social Bopuya sing a chair, Napogi side Tagi conservator, Tabir Laga, I mean Manganigi, training a Shida lecturer with practical demonstration to Virgai, custodian sing a training people. Lakpiu and Hajurumatam National Mission for Manuscript Government of India Ministry of Culture na Makoi sponsored Toraga function at Pangtuk Jabani.
A program promoting organic products and naturopathy treatment entitled Living Without Medicine was held today at the conference hall of Tribal Research Institute at TRI in Chingmerom today. Bhumija, a women association, organized the event in relation to International Women's Day. Speaking to media, Project Director of Manipur Organic Mission Agency, MoMA, K. Devdatta, stated that MoMA sponsored the event to promote consumption of organic products and naturopathy treatment method. Stating that the soil of Manipur is less polluted with chemicals in comparison to other places, Devdatta espoused cultivation of organic products for a healthy society and a sustainable economy. Secretary and Director of Anand Singh Yoga and Nature Cure Hospital, Kakching, Dr. A.M. Rajkumar spoke on naturopathy for living without medicine in the event.
Organic Hibisi, Hauzik Malemda, Yamna, Park Chown, Changeliva, Amadi, Masida Prospect, Yamna Lay Kangneriva, Aduga, Masida, employment generation, Tungi Lakadoriba, Prithivi, food habits, organic based, Samdor Payavagi, Achova, Adumba Rumamalaiva, Adumba, discipline Amani, Hajabatai, Maramaduna, Ekoi Lomi Chilinao, Amadi, Common Laineriva, Ekoi Labiriva, Ekoi Praza, Chilinao, Punamakna, Ekoi Pumbasi, Ekoi organic based, Ekoi Low Shungugi, Habakshi Paikalaga. Ekoi Hen Pagatnava, Tung Tarak Pada, Ekoi Samasida, a Papa Purok Navase, Honami, see have
Yoga Saptiki Man Maroiba AMD, side effect labor, Yamna Mahuchenba, toxic over drugs in the Wagi, as far as possible, Ekoi Lapok Naba Honaba, Dugalonana, Nasal Rueda, when healing system, Masagatba, Wagi Yoga Nesopia, purely drugless system.
First, Manipur Kunai Mifam upholding the philosophy of Lamyanba Irawat will be held on April 2nd. Manipur Proletariat People's Democratic Union, Socialist Women Association, Manipur, Young Communist League, Socialist Students' Union of Manipur and various others allied associations will organize a meet with an aim to promote the ideologies of the pioneer. Speaking to media, convener of Young Communist League W. Kameshwar stressed the need to discourse on realizing the vision of Lamyanba Irawat for bringing an equal development in the society. He calls on to move beyond the mere anniversary observance of Lamyanba Irawat to make a real difference in the society. Highlighting the rising gap between the haves and the have-not, Kameshwar called for a joint effort to bring about an equal society.
Look Maria si punsilaga aikoina irabot ki maki wakalon maki pandambu parjamyangda jonabugi damakta aikoina mifum ama pangthokna sinjabani ngasi Manipur da paksana sai khudingi irabot ki ningsing thorom pangthoktuna lai adubo irabot ki wakalon amadi maki pandam manaba khunai dudi ngasi gi mipum singna loksan bangamde maramasina aikoini manaba khunai singna punsilaga lagliba April gi tangani 2000 asida mifam ama phamnabagi damukta aikoina sinjabani haiba mifam asida sida lamdam asida leiba lupsingna lakpiduna manaba khunai amadi apunba Manipur ama purangnabagi saktamda khananainaba asida sarugya biu.
All Manipur Dalit Development Association has resolved to uplift Dalits of the state. Speaking to media at the association's office in Hatha today, Association President Rajan Ayangba lamented that status of Dalits in the state remains low despite various measures initiated by the Indian government. He assured that the association will strive towards enhancing the living conditions of Dalits by ensuring them home, electricity, water and health care facilities. The President urged the public and the government to jointly extend support to the association endeavor.
Yamna khung bolo kantak lai hibanina khoi thabak thorom sing asi paikhapada yamna khung tilli mamangida khoi governor na ai khoi moida ai khoi dalit ki damukta jatra hullaga charani asi lamnai gi lamgon gi da ai khoi matam lekhre adubu laibak thibadi ai khoi bolo kantak lakhibadagi ai khoi madu period to kitang gap leraga central government thadarakpa paisa sing dudagi supplement toraga saba hoge na tawjarambani.
Manipur State Pensioners Union Thoubal branch held a meeting and discussed on the inconveniences facing pensioners of the state at Thoubal Mela ground today. Union members resolved on various demands to be raised to the government. BJP Thangmaiban Mandal organized a one-day consultative meeting today in relation to the upcoming Inner and Outer Manipur Parliamentary Lok Sabha election to be held in two phases on April 11th and 18th. The meeting was held at the Thangmaiban residence of Vice President of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Jotin Waikom. Sangit Natak Academy Awardee 2017 Leifrakpram Ningol Oinam Ongbi Dhoni, Sikshak Ratna National Level Awardee Ahebam Pamili, social activist Jerinda Loitwangbam and academicians Dr. Gurumayam Rani Bala were felicitated on the occasion. Election Office Tangmelong in a press release informed two owners of vehicles utilized during 2017 State Assembly election in Tangmelong and None districts to collect their due payment from the election office before March 27th. The press release further urged the vehicle owners to check their names from the website www.tangmelong.nic.in. Security measures ahead of 2019 Lok Sabha polls continue unabated in the state. Imphal East Commando team under the supervision of ASP Operation Imphal East Police TH Krishna Tombe carried out cordon and search operations at Komga Bazar area from 10:30 to 11:40 this morning. A total of 92 individuals were verified during the operation. 9 individuals without proper identification proofs were picked up for further verification and were later released. Imphal West Commando also carried out cordon and search operations at hotels in Pauna Bazar today. The team, under the supervision of SP Operation Imphal West Police, Aribam Ghanesham, carried out the drive in 5 hotels from 4:10 to 5:20 this afternoon. No one was arrested during the drive. Cordon and search operations were also conducted at Bishnupur Bazaar as a part of security measures ahead of 2019 Lok Sabha polls. A team of Bishnupur commando team, including women police led by SP Bishnupur Hobson Sapam, carried out the operation from 4 to 4:50 this afternoon. A total of 150 individuals were verified and 13 individuals without proper identification proofs were handed over to Bishnupur police station for further verification. Commotion occurred in More after 4 Meiteis from Ningthi village of More who came to buy dhol, a kind of drum for Yaukshung festival, were arrested by Assam Rifles upon being misinformed by 4 miscreants from More worth number 5. The incident occurred around 10 this morning. The 4 miscreants were picked up by volunteers of Meitei Council More and later handed over to executive members of Manipur Muslim Council More after counselling. Eventually, an Assam Rifles officer released the 4 apprehended Meiteis at the office of Meitei Council More. Popular Front of India Manipur State, in a press release, strongly condemned the recent mass shootings at 2 Christchurch mosques in New Zealand. The front expressed heartfelt condolence to the family of the victims and implored to stop discrimination and atrocities against Muslim community. Thangmaiban Kendra Development Organization planted 3 saplings at Atingkok Sidaba Maru Liningthau Kubam at Chairau Ching today. Youth Front President of Thangmaiban Kendra Development Organization, Konsam Kuilar, led the tree plantation drive, which was followed by a cleanliness drive. Speaking to media, Konsam Kuilar said, the drive was carried out to Green Chairau Ching, which is a part of Langol Hills Range, stating that such tree plantation drive will be carried out in the rest of the hill range. He thanked the Forest Department for providing the tree saplings. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on upcoming Play with the Colors event of Back the Pillar Foundation. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. Back the Pillar Foundation is holding a 2-day Play with the Colors event during the upcoming Yaukshung Festival. Advisor of Back the Pillar Foundation, Hamom Sadananda, made the announcement during a press meet held at a Youth Rising Star Club office, Tidim Ground, today. Sadananda stated that the event, exclusively arranged to cheer the spirits of children, especially the destitute and orphans, will be held at Tidim Ground on March 22nd and 23rd. Founder of Back the Pillar Foundation, Thokchom Boniam, stated that various interactions, entertainment, sports and awareness programs will be held during the 2-day event to guide and encourage the children attendees.
We are starting something for the future. Aduga moigi responsibility se kari no haibasi khangnanaba awareness program kaya adagi celebrities kaya laga moida tapiramba tambiramba road safety gi drugs ki aduna mayam ama hoina maming sigi marumda isa singdugi tunglam chatta lakadauba manipuri gi taibang palda manipur gi taibang panda achauba khariguma khara khara tawranaba aduga asengba achumba thabak tawranaba tawjabani andama masida laibiriba ahalaman sing dagi khara khaji hojiki pesa khaibagi problem yam nungai ba press release me amsu tholai yausing che tawbidana ba do sipuna makse thadok piraga waraba angang sing sigi ekoina makhoi gi damakta su leiri aduga makhoi bu tunglam chatta lakadaba punsida afaba mioi mamam semnaba bek ka bilasa leiri ba sida mateng pangbiu event si mapung phan biu hai.
Jilla Parishad member Seram Nekin today presented sports kits and monetary assistance to 24 local clubs under Uchekon Nongchup Jilla Parishad in view of the upcoming Yaoshing Sports Festival. NYK District Coordinator KH Ibo Halbi and local elders were present at the event held at Singjamai Ketrilekai, Mantap. Former principal of Imphal Art College, Y. Nabachandra, inaugurated the 4-day 10th annual art exhibition including Photography 2018 of Arts Society Manipur at Manipur State Art Gallery in Palace Compound today. Graphic paintings, three-dimensional sculptures and other art items will be showcased in the exhibition. Paintings by eminent artists of the state, including prominent women artists, namely Bondina, Linthoy and Diana, will be exhibited. Speaking to media, Y. Nabachandra expressed satisfaction over the paintings to be displayed in the upcoming event. Stating that art is an international language, he further expressed that the paintings by state artists are no less than that by other artists of the world. Annual Award 2018 of Arts Society Manipur was conferred to Yumnam Sabha Wangam Apanthoy Mitay and Athokpam Kuber Singh on the occasion.
Sidapu thoiba display to work sing je masi amat nope te mram di akoi sidagi loigi ba sat sing je bachelor degree loiga hauju di MU da master hange adu akoi sidagi loigi ba sat sing mapan da display to matam ba akoi da anopa leite si international go language na art ai di akoi gi sat sing china international ga cho award ka phangba Suyaure, even Lalit Kala Academy, National Yam repeated by Awase, Quiggy, Mati Masana, the Pangiba Suyaure.
A poetry book entitled Yurang B, translated into Manipuri by Soibamja Indrakumar from the popular Hindi poetry book Modubala, was released today. Manitco Chairman Dr. Y. Radhesham released the book at the hall of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy. Meanwhile, 3 books entitled Angang Hal's Triple Persone, Ningam Hogdraba and Angang Ahalgi Saktam Ahum, written by President of Iramdam Khorjay Apan Balup of Hyanglam Wabagai, Maibam Nebukishore, was also released at Manipur Hindi Parishad Hall today. Former President of Manipuri Sahitya Parishad Imphal, Professor Nomaithem Tombi, Vice President of Iramdam Khorjay Apan Balup, Hyanglam Wabagai, Tolcho Samjet Savam, Academy awardee Professor Jodhachandra Sanasam and many eminent persons attended the book releasing event. Dynamic Manipur held the 15th episode of Inspiration at the Hall of Rotary Clubs of Imphal in Mantripuki today. Around 50 individuals attended the event held on the theme Leadership and Financial Literacy. Director of Institute of Cooperative Management ICM Imphal N. Reena and President and CEO of Assured Asset Advisory AAA Private Limited Oinam Patel gave resourceful insights on the topics Building a Positive Attitude and Leadership and Financial Literacy on Wealth Creation respectively in the event. Sanalaipak Nacho artist Leela Ahingda Numit backed the Best Production Award and its director S.H. Hemanta was conferred the Best Director Award in the 47th All Manipur Sumang Lila Festival 2018-19 Nupa Kanglop, organized by Manipur State Kala Academy at Iboyaima Sumang Lila Shanglen Palace Compound. Cine Artists and Technicians Association CATA organized a felicitation program for awardees of the recent 8 SSS Manifa Awards at SIC Hall of DIPR Palace Gate today. Speaking in the event, Art and Culture Commissioner M. Lakshmi Kumar lauded CATA Kata for organizing the event to appreciate and encourage creative artists of the state.
Katagi roles here not only actors and actresses magi kanu suyor artist chawre the film have something like medical profession masiti teamwork am sangi adang sai sound gi light ki punama kisi changbani na Katagi roles all inclusive yam meaningful way ra kali ko no sumagi roles edona please keep it up kata
hadiba senior artist and technician association hadiba sangsan si yamna liraba adu yamna jinai noiraba amadi ariba filmmaker kaya masida film bu sakulaning ba kaya akogi member oiduna ngasi phawba afaba mayon amada akogi film ati sakhunna ba kanna khong thangjariba adugumba katani
49th Annual Sports Festival of Citizen Club Soibam Laikai Wangkai Kunok will kick off from March 21st till March 24th. Pana Lakpa competition participated by Wangbrin Pana, Marjing Pana, Kaubru Pana and Thangjing Pana was held ahead of the sports festival today. Club members also conducted cleaners competition in areas under the club. Top 3 winners of the competition will be awarded with 10,000 rupees, 7,000 rupees and 5,000 rupees cash prizes respectively. Speaking to media, President of the club N. Remote Kumar stated that players of the 4 Pana of the club, including women, have been competing in various sports events with an eye for Olympic Games during the sports festival, also known as MLA's Trophy, for a while now. He also mentioned that various events apart from sports will also be held during the upcoming festival. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur State Archive starts 5-day preventive workshop on handmade paper manuscript puyas with an aim to safeguard ancient manuscripts. Living Without Medicine, a program organized by Bhumija and sponsored by MoMA, aims to promote organic products and naturopathy treatment. And like-minded association join in holding first Manipur Kunai Mifam on April 2nd to realize visions of Lamyanda Hijam Irawat for an equal society.